Hi friend, welcome to my Qtop YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we will learn about how to initialize a variable. In this section, you will learn how to initialize or assign a value in a variable. In Python, it's so simple than other language, just like C and Java. In Python we don't have to declare any type of variables, and we have don't foundation that we only insert a predefined type. In Python we have no any foundation, so we can assign any type of variable in without declaring. So now go to this terms. Here you can see that I take a variable named as a, and I only inserting a, and I'm going to also print the value of a. Here you can see the result. Here the type of a is int and the value of a is 1. You can also 100,000, 10,000, 1 lakh, and you can see the value. Now again, when I have to, now I'm going to insert a variable like float, because here it is a decimal point, and you can see here I'm going to also print value of a. Here you can see that I did not declare any variable, any type of variables before the assigning it. I just assign the value of a here, and you can see the type of a is float, and here you can see it was int. Now the term comes to string, so I'm also printing the value of a. Here you can see that I just assign a string value using only the inverted commas, and you have always tried to insert a string value with the value with inverted commas, because it is a recognition that it is a type of string. You can also use type double inverted comma, just like. Type of b, and also I am printing the value of b. Here you can see that both are type string, but here we used single inverted comma. Here we use double inverted comma, but both are the same. It will give the, so you can clearly see that we don't have any foundation to declare a variable type before assigning it. We can directly insert any value. Now the term is come with the raw user input, because it is how to take. Sorry, my hand is broken, so it takes a longer time to type. Oh, sorry. To take a user input, we have to initially declare a variable a, and we just have to type the pre-command input. Here we can write anything. Please write your name. Please write your name, and print the value of a. Before here a, we have the value of a is qtop. Now we can see Here it's typing, I'm just inserting my name. You can check the output here, it is a string. It's all about variable type, variable insertion in Python. Just keep with us, and thank you for watching.